Most people entering the online space in 2026 are already dead. They just don't know it yet. They are chasing models that worked in 2020, oblivious to the fact that the barrier to entry has become a wall of fire. Today I'm making a bold claim. If your business relies on shipping physical products, managing employees, or begging clients for retainers, that's mean you don't own a business. You own a high stress job with no ceiling. I will compare the four biggest online models using real world data, cost, stress, and time to freedom. By the end, you'll understand why billionaires like Paul Tudor Jones says the intellectual beauty of the game is what matters. You see, most people are trying to win a Formula One race while driving a tractor. It doesn't matter how hard you press the pedal, the vehicle you choose will determine your speed. To find the GOAT tier carrier of 2026, we have to look at the cold hard data. Let's have a look at why these popular models are actually traps in 2026. We have e-commerce, everyone talks about passive income, but look at the math. In 2026, TikTok and Meta ad cost have increased by 45%, and year over year, you are essentially a middleman for a shipping company and a marketing platform. Out of every $100 you make, 40 goes to ads, 30 goes to product, 10 goes to shipping, and 5 goes to refund. You are left with 15. To make $10,000 a month, you need to manage $70,000 in revenue. Actually, you don't own a store. You own a debt to the algorithm. Here is what they don't tell you. If a client doesn't like the color of the font, you don't get paid. You are in the business of human management, not the wealth creation. And the trap is, as soon as you scale, your stress is also scales. To make more money, you need more employees, which eventually means more management. It is the never ending cycle of the treadmill. If your business depends on you being there, you don't have a business, you have a job. Content creation. This looks the most fun, but it has the highest luck factor. You are at the mercy of an algorithm which you don't even control. One change in the YouTube or Instagram code and your income vanish overnight. It takes 12 to 24 months of working for free before you see a single dollar. And then you have the funded trader. Now look at the trading in 2026. This is the only model that is based on pure performance. In 2026, we have the Perform arbitrage. You can pay 100 to 500 fee to access a $100,000 account. And the math is, if you make a modest 5% in a month, which is standard for a disciplined trader on 100k funded account, that is $5,000. To make $5,000 in e-commerce, you need to ship 500 orders and deal with 50 customer complaints and spend extra $10,000 on ads. And in trading, you simply need to find a high probability strategy that can serve you and help you to make your $5,000 every single month. The best part is there are no clients that will fire you, there are no employees that you will have to manage, and there is no inventory to rot in a warehouse. It's just you, your charts, and your discipline. I want you to have a good look at this chart. Every other business model on this list requires you to convince someone else to give you money. You have to convince a customer to buy a product, and you have to convince a client to sign a contract. You have to convince an audience to watch a video. And on the other side, trading is the only business on the earth where you don't have to convince anyone. The liquidity is already there. The money is moving regardless of whether you participate or not. You are simply clipping a piece of the world's largest financial flow. In 2026, the most expensive thing you can own is dependencies. If you need a supplier in China, a courier in the US, or a client in London to say yes for you to make money, you are at the mercy of the world. And the difference is trading is the only career where you are the CEO. The employees and the shareholder all at once. You don't need a yes for anyone, you only need market to be open. In a traditional business, for you to double your profit, you usually have to double your workload. You need more staff, more warehouse space, and more headaches. In trading, clicking buy for $1,000 is the exact same amount of work as clicking buy for $100,000. Your income scales by adding zero to your account, not hours to your day. Most people think online business means being on your laptop 12 hours a day. And funny enough, they have just traded a 9 to 5 for a 9 to 9. I want to make this clear. Professional trading is about 90% waiting and 10% executing. You learn to identify a specific window of opportunity, which is usually around 2 hours a day. The successful man is the one who has the keys to his own time. The biggest lie you've been told is that you need to be rich to start trading. And that was true in 2010. In 2026, we have prop firms. Think of it as a scholarship for your brain. These firms have billions of dollars and they are looking for traders who can manage their capital. You pay a small entry fee to prove you have the skill and they give you the capital. Now you can control $100,000 portfolio for less than the cost of the new iPhone. You keep 80% of the profit, and in this case you have zero personal financial risk. When the economy crash or war began, dropshipping stores die because people stop buying. When interest rates rise, real estate die. A trader profits from movement of the markets. We don't care if the world is going up or down, we only care that it is moving. In 2026, the world is the most volatile than ever, which means that paychecks for traders are getting bigger while everyone else is panicking. And AI is also taking over. AI is currently replacing the copywriters, graphic designers, and basic coders. If your job can be done by a prompt, you are obsolete. But AI cannot replace risk intuition and market psychology. Trading is the ultimate high value skill. Once you read how to read the intent behind the price movement, you have a printing press in your brain that no AI can take away from you. So if the math is so clear, why doesn't everyone do this? Why is the world still filled with the people struggling with 9 to 5, failing at Shopify stores? Because trading is the hardest easy money you will ever make. It is a mirror. It doesn't care about your resume. It only cares about your discipline more than anything. Most people fail in this because they treat it like a casino. They want the Lamborghini without the library. They have no protocol, no community, no edge. And right now, if you can see, you are standing at a fork in the road. And the path A is you can go back to the traditional hustles. You can fight for 15% margins, beg client for retainers, and pray the algorithm likes your next post. You can stay in the noise. And part B is you can enter the arena, you can master the one skill that provides total sovereignty, you can become the lighthouse in the world of volatility. And the choice is yours. Choice is the only true currency. I know that for many of you, this is a new world. You can see the opportunity, but you don't have the map yet. And because of that, I built a free trading hub on Discord. And this isn't a hype group, it's a repository of data. In this, I post my market outlooks, I share the why behind the moves, and I've gathered a community of like minded individuals who are actually tired of the 9 to 5 matrix. However, some of you aren't here to browse, some of you are here to conquer. You don't want to spend 3 years fighting it out, you don't want to spend 3 years figuring it out through trial and the error. You want the blueprint and you want to fund it in next 90 days. And for that specific group, the 1%, I have opened my private mentorship, and this is where I take you behind the curtain. We don't just talk about what to trade, we build the actual traders protocol. 2026 is to be a year of massive wealth transfer. The old money is scared and the new money is being minted in the charts. The only question is which side of the trade are you on? Because I'm gonna be honest, everything you need is in the description below. Join my free Discord. I'll see you at the top.